If you use Calendly to book meetings, interviews, consultations, or discovery calls, adding questions is one of the best ways to get the information you need before the event even starts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask questions in Calendly step by step so you can collect the right details from invitees and make every booking more useful. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside, you want to head over to the scheduling section. This is where Calendly lets you manage your event types and control how people book time with you. Now select the event you want to edit. For example, this could be a 15-minute intro call, a client consultation, a sales meeting, or any other event type you already created. Calendly organizes questions by event, so make sure you open the exact one where you want to ask people something before they book. After that, open either the booking page or the invitee questions area, depending on how your Calendly layout appears. This is where you'll find the settings for the information people submit when they schedule with you. Next, click Add Question. This is the option that allows you to create a new custom question for your invitees. Once you click it, Calendly will give you a field where you can type your question. Now, enter your question clearly and keep it simple. For example, you might ask, "What would you like to discuss during the meeting?" Or, "How did you hear about us?" Or, "What is the main goal for this call?" The more specific your question is, the better the answers you'll get. Then choose the answer type. Calendly usually gives you options like text, yes and no, or other available response formats depending on your plan and setup. If you want a detailed response, text is usually the best choice. If you want a quick confirmation, yes, no can work well. Pick the format that matches the kind of answer you need. After that, decide whether the question should be required or optional. If the question is essential for your workflow, client prep, or meeting qualification, set it to required. If it's just extra helpful information and not necessary to book, you can leave it optional. This part is important because required questions can improve the quality of your bookings, but too many required questions may make it harder for people to complete the scheduling process. So try to keep it balanced. Ask only what you really need. Once everything looks good, click Save. That will apply your question to the event, and from that point on, anyone booking that Calendly event will see the question during the scheduling process. If you want to add more than one question, you can repeat the same process and build a short custom intake form right inside Calendly. This is really useful for coaches, consultants, recruiters, freelancers, and service businesses that need a little more context before a meeting. And if you ever need to make changes later, just come back to the same event, open the questions area again, and edit, remove, or reorder your questions as needed. That gives you a lot of flexibility as your booking process changes over time. So that's how to ask questions in Calendly. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how prepared you are for every meeting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.